Hello guys, this is a forged and classic carbon fiber pattern. Diffuser, trunk spoiler, front lips. This is a close comparison of the patterns. Classic 2x2 twill and forged. This is a comparison of the rear spats, rear skirts, extensions for the rear diffuser. They just go for the sides. This is a front snorkels for the grill. Okay guys. We also have plenty of trunk spoilers, diffusers, classic pattern. Rear spats like 10-15 sets in stock right now. These are the lips, classic pattern. It's our new stock. Okay. Here's a diffuser. Diffusers, lips, all in stock guys. Look at this beauty, look at this pattern.